Okay, JD Man here on the new 2021 S1000XR. Of course, you know I had a 2016 XR and I traded it in on the Street Fighter, so we're gonna see how these compare. We're at a BMW demo day here up in Port Matilda, PA, courtesy of Kissel Motorsports in Tyrone, PA. That's where I buy my Beamers, and I bought my Thruxton off of them. They're having their Soggy Bottom Fest ADV this weekend, so this is gonna have to be quick because I'm not running low on battery. So hopefully we get into nuts and bolts here before the battery dies, and I might have to give you my final thoughts after, if the battery does go. So feels a lot like my 2016. The seat definitely is different. You're sitting down in the bike more, I think, and the back, it's pushing you up into the tank more. It's comfortable so far, but I can kind of feel it digging in under my thighs, the very front, the leading edge of the seat. And of course, it's like a tractor down low, it pulls. And this is a new engine. I've not rode one of these yet, but does not have the shift cam in it. Only has like 5 more horse than what my 16 did. Hey Cardo, volume down. So we'll see here. I'm kind of interested to see what the Hey everybody, JD Man here today on the new to me Triumph Speed Triple 1050. Not an R or anything like that. The multi-strata is gone. Just didn't gel with it. So, but anyway, I'm gonna have the video up when I took my first test ride on this from the dealer. What I'm going to talk about is I already did a video. Go back to the BMW test ride day. I already did a video on the Monster Street Fighter about the new S1000XR that I rode, because the battery went dead on the GoPro. So I don't know if you can hear that. This thing sounds good. So yeah, took the XR for a ride and didn't get to really show you a whole lot about it, but I wanted to give you my thoughts comparing the two, between my 2016 and that. And the new one is I did notice the difference with the handling. It does handle better than the 16. It's more nimble. You can flick it a lot easier. You can flick it around a lot easier than what the old one. The engine is, even though it's only 5 more horsepower, there is you can tell it does run a little bit better. I still wish they'd put the shift cam in that thing and give her 180, 185 horse. But whenever we did get to open it up, it did take off. It did good. We were the BMW riders. They were leading us, and they let us, when we got on the highway, open them up once or twice, and that was it. Nothing radical. Because too, there's every ride that I went on, they said pretty much every ride there was some kind of wildlife jumping out in front of them. And then on that ride, I think it was the XR ride, or the when I rode the Scrambler, I don't know, but I can't remember. A fawn did jump out in front of the lead rider. So luckily, nobody got hurt. But one thing that really surprised me about the XR was that at the end of the ride, I was more comfortable on the double R than on the XR. And the biggest thing was, which I'm sure could be remedied pretty easy, through the aftermarket or whatever, but that seat, my 2016, the seat was pretty comfortable, but this one here, and I don't know, back in April I started working out, weightlifting and that, and my legs got have a little bit more meat on them now than what they used to. But the bottom of my thighs, where the seat was digging in to the bottom of my thigh, to the underneath. So it needs to be either like sculpted out there at the front of it, or something, I don't know. But and I heard, other guys that were there were also complaining about that seat. So it wasn't just me. So, that's something to consider, which it wouldn't be a deal breaker, because like I said, I'm sure the aftermarket's going to have something to, there'll be Sargents, Corbin, any of them, there'll be something out there. So look at this rig. Yeah, you don't want to get stuck with that round baler, them spikes sticking out. Look at that. Is that Rob? Wonder if that was my buddy Rob. Is that an 890? So yeah, now I'm distracted here. Thinking I need to turn around. But anyway, I don't know, that had to be Rob. So yeah, still got ignore still got other vehicles or other bikes to ride, and who knows. But the XR, still, if I was going to consider buying one of them, I would have to, like, say, hey, let me take this home for a day or two, which in today's climate won't happen. So I could be sure that, you know, it was going to be a fit. It would have to be something major for me to want to have one again. So it's a great bike. I just hope that it's just got a little bit, some rough edges to it. Yeah, BMW makes great machines. They just have to add a little bit of character to them. Now, like I said, the double R, I really like that. So, and I'll tell you guys, you Triumph guys, this is my first triple that I've ever rode, and you triple lovers, I'll tell you right now, I get it. I get it. I got a big grin on my face right now. Listen to that. I didn't have that grin on the Multistrada. Yeah, that's another one. It had more power than this and everything. I just wasn't into it. So I really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button or hit the dislike button, subscribe, comments, any kind of feedback here with the channel, interaction with the channel, or your favorite YouTuber, the small guys, help them out. Yeah, let's get this algorithm pointed back to what got YouTube started, the little guy. So this is JD, man. You all stay safe out there, please. Take care. Peace.